Make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
Video ini berisikan toolbox untuk perlengkapan aquascape ya. Untuk mempernainnya ini ada toolboxnya. Di sini berisikan 5 pieces, ada 2 gunting, ada 2 pinset, dan ada 1 spatula. Nah, ini kalau kalian beli satu ini, jadi dapat satu tas ini isi 5 ya guys ya. Ini 5 in 1. Yang nanti untuk link pembeliannya bisa kalian cek di deskripsi. Ini sangat bermanfaat sekali, rekomendasi sekali ini untuk para skaper, apalagi skaper yang hobi otak-atik, skaper pemula yang ingin uji coba ya guys ya. Langsung aja ya guys ya, simak video ini baik-baik, jangan di skip dulu.